tatay ko pa kasi. First camera ng tatay ko.
I love you, anak. I love you, anak. I love you, anak.
Telling I love you every day, every morning. Kasi mahirap din kasi sa ngayon, like dyan sa bahay, pag hindi mo nasabihan ng family mo ng I love you, parang kinabukasan hindi mo na makikita yung tao. Kunyari, yung father ko nga, like last year, cancer. Then dun mo mapapahalagan yung pagsasabi mo ng, "Oy, ganito, I love you," bago kang manis. Sobrang importante kasi minsan mo lang masasabi sa kanya.
Kahit wala ang papa mo, siguro masaya na siya ngayon.
If I can't help falling.
I love you very, very much. Mahal na mahal kita. Good memories lang mamaya. Masaya lang. Chill lang tayo. Love you.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things.
Ang nagdala talaga para kayo magkatagpo ang inyong destiny. Kung maalala mo, sir, yung unang makita mo ang iyong pagkakasalan, merong kakaibang kalabog ito.
Kabado nga sobra.
Take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with.
Feel ko siya na talaga. Siya na talaga yung yung makakasama ko hanggang sa pagtanda. Yung magtsatsaga sa akin hanggang sa pagtanda. Yung taong hindi ako basta-basta iiwan din hanggang sa pagtanda. Ganun din yung gagawin ko rin sa kanya. Hanggang pagtanda siguro.
I'll be the one that stays till the end, and I'll be the one that needs you again, and I'll be the one that proposes in a garden of roses, and truly loves you long after our curtain closes. But will you still love me when nobody wants me around?
The two become one flesh. Magiging isang laman na. At kapag naging isang laman na, ibabind ni Lord. I-unite niya. At ang deklarasyon, may assurance. No man can separate.
'Cause I am the one who's waited this long, and I am the one that might get it wrong, and I'll be the one that will love you the way I'm supposed to, girl. But will you still love me when nobody?
Thankful ako kasi nakilala kita. Tapos, alam kong ikaw na. So, thank you. See you mamaya saan.
When I turn 81 and forget things, will you still be proud of me and my short list of accomplishments? Say, me and my lack of news, me and my selfishness, or me and myself wish you nothing but a happy new version of you. Because
Asis Evaristo, did you come here with your heart to marry this woman, April Rudy? Do you solemnly promise before God and these witnesses Cholaber. April Rudia, did you come here with all your heart to marry this man, Asis Evaristo? Do you also promise before God and these witnesses to love him?